Construct a 99% confidence interval about the population mean weight in grams of pennies minted after 1982. We can construct the confidence interval by using StatCrunch or formulas in Table 7. Let's use StatCrunch first. Because we are given raw data, we can just go directly to StatCrunch. First, type in your raw data. Now let's go to Stat, T-Stats, One Sample, and With Data. Now we need to select the column with the data, which is var1. We want a confidence interval, so we will select confidence interval. And we want a 99% confidence interval, so our confidence level is 0.99. Now press compute. And here we have the lower bound and the upper bound. Rounding to 3 decimal places, we get that the lower bound is 2.452 and the upper bound is 2.477. So we say that we are 99% confident that the population mean weight in grams of pennies minted after 1982 is between 2.452 and 2.477. Now let's compute the confidence interval by hand. We use the following formulas to compute the confidence interval by hand. We need to find x bar, t alpha over 2, s, and n. X bar is 2.464, s is 0.018, n is the sample size, which is 17 because we have 17 data values. Now let's find t alpha over 2. Let's draw a sketch. We want a 99% confidence interval, so we will have 0.99 in the middle. So that means we have 0.01 in both tails. However, because we want to find t alpha over 2, we need to find the area in the right tail. Since the area in both tails is 0.01, the area in one tail is half of that, which is 0.005. So we want to find t sub 0.005. Now let's determine the degrees of freedom. The degrees of freedom is 1 less than the sample size, so that's 17 minus 1, which is 16. Now let's find the test statistic that corresponds to an area in the right tail of 0.005 and degrees of freedom 16. And we get 2.921. Now let's construct the confidence interval. First, let's find the lower bound. Let's substitute the values. Type this in your calculator and round to 3 decimal places, and we get 2.451. Now let's compute the upper bound. Let's substitute the values. Type this in your calculator and round to 3 decimal places, and we get 2.477. So we say that we are 99% confident that the population mean weight in grams of pennies minted after 1982 is between 2.451 and 2.477.